Now I will show you how you can run InMail campaign with the help of Expandi. Simply, you just need to open your LinkedIn. If you are using a basic search, you have a no sale navigator. Simply, you just need to your targeted job title and then select. Different filters are available, people, second degree, and then select the location, and different more filters are available. You can choose all these filters according to your requirement. Location, current company, connection of followers, schools, industry. So different filters are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And if you are using a sale navigator, simply you just need to open your sale navigator and then just click on lead filters. And here you just need to write your job title and industry and geography. For example, in this case, I just need a software engineer, and location I just need a Canada, and these are my target audience. Now I will explain one by one. Current company, you can also find a people with the help of current company. For example, you just need a people that are software engineer from eBay company, so you just need to include, and sale navigator only show you those person that are working in eBay and that are software engineer. So you can also find people with the help of current company. You can also find a target audience with the help of company head account. Head account means how many employees working in a company. If you are new and your target audience is small scale company, then self-employed 1 to 10 and 11 to 50 is enough. And if you are targeting large scale company, and then above 1000 is good target audience for you. And other is you can also find a people with the help of past company. For example, you just need a people that past company experience is Amazon, and now sale navigator only show those persons that past company experience is Amazon and now currently working in other company. Sale navigator show us. So you can also find your target audience with the help of past company. And company type, if you are searching for publicly limited company, partnership, privately held company, self-employed, government agencies, so you can also find with these filters. And here is a headquarter location. For example, you just need a people that company headquarter in Canada, UK, USA. So you can find all these headquarters with the help of this filter. And here is a function, and you can find people with the help of function. For example, in this time I just have a program and project management, and you can also set target audience according to your requirement. For example, if you need a finance function people, accounting, selling, operation, business development, so different functions are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And other is current job title, and from here you just need to write the job title like a CEO, CFO, CCO, and you can find with the help of current job title. And seniority level, you can also find a C level people, and you can also find entry level people, directors, and trainee, experienced people. With the help of seniority level you can find. And you can also find a people with the help of past job experience. For example, you just need a people that past job experience is just an engineer and now a software engineer. So different past job title you can add here. For example, you just need a people, this past experience is finance manager and now current job title is CFO. So you can find and you can play with these filters. And other is years experience, years in current position, and current company, geography, industry. You can find industry according to your requirement. And now you can see that you can select industry. If your industry is real estate, you can find here the real estate is computer, electronics, and insurance. So different industries are available. You can choose industries according to your requirement. And other is you can also find a people with the help of first name, last name, profile language. For example, I just need a people that profile language in English, and now sale navigator only show me those people that profile language in English. And other more things are available. You can also find a people with the help of years of experience. For example, you just need a people, experienced people less than 1 year, 1 to 2 years. And you can also find a people with the help of group. Simply you just need to write here the group name and you can find the people. And here is a school name. You can also find a people with the help of school name. For example, CDI college. I just need a people that studies in CDI college. I just click on include, and now Sales Navigator only show me those people that study CDI college. So different more filters are available. You can choose all these filters according to your requirement. And now right hand side different more filters are available. I want to show you. And now follow your company, and from here you can also select here how many people follow your company, viewed your profile, how many people viewed your profile. And from here you can select here the first degree connection, second degree and third degree connection, group members. And connection of, you can also write here your first degree connection name, and you can find this connection, past colleague and experience, and change job. 5.5k people just change the job, post on LinkedIn, that active on LinkedIn, and 2k people. And here is a persona. You can also fix the persona, so you next time you don't need any kind of persona and filters. You just need to create a persona, so a Sales Navigator will show according to your persona. And lead list, and people in CR, people interested with, and now save leads. So different filters are available. You can choose according to your requirement. Once you are satisfied, you just need to copy the URL of your target audience and then open Expandi. And after this, you just need to just click on campaigns, and simply you just need to click on campaign from this side, and you can also click on add new campaign. So there is a two method you can choose according to your requirement, and add new campaign. And I want to target, here you just need to write your target job titles, for example software engineer, what services you are offering and what I want to achieve. So you can also skip this one, or if you want next, you can do this one. So after this, different templates are available. You can choose these templates according to your requirement. And lead generation 12 template, develop personal brand template. So different templates are available. You can choose according to your requirement. So this time I just need to run an InMail campaign. So again, different campaigns are available, like a mobile connector builder. So different things are available. Now I just need to focus on open InMail. And now I am just clicking here the create from blank campaign. And here I just need to write the subject line of the message and the body line of the message. And for example, I'm just copying here and then paste the message and make the setting. And now you can see that I just write here the subject line and some settings in a body message, and now you can see that. And different placeholders are available. You can use placeholders and variables according to your requirement. And for example, I'm just putting here the hi and then first name. You can choose according to your requirement, last name, and different more variables or placeholders are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And different more things are available. Now I want to show you. And you can also write a message with AI message. So it totally depends on you. Once you are satisfied, then you just need to click on save message. And after this, you just need to click on next, and so campaign will be add new people. And for example, I'm just clicking here the add people, and from here you can select from existing search new URL. You can also upload the CSV file. So it totally depends on you. For example, I'm just selecting here the URL, and from here you can also select here the basic search if you are using a LinkedIn basic search, Sales Navigator search, recruiter, company follower search. Different options are available. You can choose according to your requirement, but this time I'm just choosing here LinkedIn basic search. But if you want to select target audience from Sales Navigator, then copy the URL from Sales Navigator and then select here the LinkedIn Sales Navigator option. And if you are using a LinkedIn basic search, simply you just need to click on LinkedIn basic search and then copy the URL of your target audience and then paste. And give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just giving here the InMail campaign and auto loaded after 7 days, or you can select here according to your requirement, but after 7 days is a good option. And after this, just need to click on more options are available. You can select all these options according to your requirement, and after this you just need to click on save. And now it will take few minutes and then your target audience will be saved. And let's go in settings. You can change the settings according to your requirement, and now you can see that here is a campaign name. You just need to write the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just writing here the InMail campaign, and here is different more options are available, AI features and different daily settings. And now you can see that I'm just pressing here the 30, 29, and different more settings are available. Set the number of follow-up message per day and priority level, if this priority level is high, low. So it totally depends on you. If you think that InMail is good for you, then click here the high, otherwise low. And if you want to start in the future, you can also select days according to your requirement. And if you want to start immediately, you just need to click on start immediately. For example, if you want to start in future, from here you can select date, times according to your requirement. After this, you can also active and inactive this campaign, active status, and for example, you can select here according to your requirement, and then you just need to click on save. And now our people are loading in a campaign. It will take a few minutes, and after this you just need to click on active. Your campaign will be active. And now you can see that it's a scraping now, and it will take a few minutes or sometime 10 or 15 minutes. After this, you simply just need to click on active your campaign, and then your campaign will be running. So hope you understand how to run an InMail campaign with the help of Expandi. If you have any question related to this, then I am available here.